Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q4 E-Tron Q4 Sportback launch. This sleek electric vehicle boasts a captivating Geyser Blue metallic that catches the eye at every turn. Convenience meets functionality with the carefully placed AC and DC charging access point located on the rear right of the vehicle, allowing for effortless charging whether at home or on the go. Its advanced 11 kilowatt onboard charger ensures convenient charging options, while the impressive 135 kilowatt DC charging capability ensures swift replenishment when needed. To the side of the car's profile, you have the striking 20-inch alloy wheels and a 5V spoke design in graphite grey, sure to turn heads when on the road. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with a centre armrest and two cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S-embossed logo and manual seating adjustments. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, for the charging menu, to take advantage of the off-peak tariffs. Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Back on the home page and into media to have all your favourite media apps stored in one place. Radio, a wide selection of your favourite DAB radio stations to sing along to. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the 3-zone climate controls, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature with the added luxury of heated seats. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox with the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to this car's profile. Not only that, but it has 2 USB charging points, so you can always stay charged up and powered up on the go. If this car's for you, call our friendly team on 01782 488 205. Thank you.